This young handsome guy is King. He's about a year old. He's very sweet. He's good with people. He's reported to be good with older children. He's very affectionate. He loves to be petted. He loves to lean against you to get pettings. He walks pretty good on the leash. He was adopted by a family back in February. Unfortunately, they don't have enough time to spend with him, exercising him and playing with him and such. So we're looking for a new home for him, an active home. We're going to head down to the training room in a couple minutes, see if he likes to play ball. But he's a very sweet boy. King!